Well, hello and welcome back. Today is gonna be our first day of actually starting work on the framework. We're not gonna be doing much today as I don't have a lot of time. We're mostly gonna be just doing windowing. I've already got the project set up. I mean, not set up, just created. Let me just create a new folder here. Call it. Uh, what would be the good name? I mean, uh, I'm just gonna do this. I use the same name for my C# FNA engine, but that's fine, I guess. Okay, let's see. Today we're only gonna be working with Winit. We're not gonna be using the latest version. We're gonna be using version 29.0. It's a very good version. I prefer it way more. Not gonna lie. So, let's just show how we want our code to look. So let me just comment all of this out. I want it to look something like this. First we create window parameters, params. They're going to be set here. The possible values could be size, title, position. This is fine for now, as for testing purposes. I'm probably gonna add later on like full screen and so on and so on. Then we create the window. Yep, we create. There's going to be another function, another variable called window functions. It's going to be a struct containing all the functions. So it's going to be our initialize. So basically start. It's going to be our update. No, first input. Then it's going to go to update. Then it's going to be render. And they're going to be called in this specific. So first it's going to check for the input, then it's going to update everything, then it's going to do render, and you set those functions like here, and then you pass them in as arguments. Then, using all of that, we create our window, like window, new, and we specify the window params and window functions, and then we just do window dot run. And this should be how the basic code will look. This is what we're gonna try to achieve today. As you can see, I don't really want to flood the main function with a lot of different stuff. I'm not gonna be doing like a loop thing like this. Oh wait, something like this. So yeah. Let's see. So let's create a new file. Let's call it window rs. Let's also create mod rs. We're gonna be public mod window. And in here, first let's create our window parameters. So it's gonna be a public struct of window parameters. For now it's just gonna be width. Actually, no, let's do size. There's gonna be U32 and U32. Position. It's gonna be I32. Actually, wait, before I do this, when we create a window with Winit, it takes in what as a parameter? If I go to, let's see, First, let's just quickly save this. Let's go here. Pet event loop. Let me just copy some default code from LearnWeb GPU. Yeah. Where is it? Dependencies in the window. Let me just quickly copy this. And let's see. So this will run. Oh, what are you not liking? If you're looking for the pre-release package, it needs to be specified specifically. Could not find the version. Okay, let's open the other project. It's here. Source code. Oh no, I'm just open this. Open quickly. No, I thought I specified not to open that folder. Select folder. Yep, Carcatermo. What is it not liking? Is everything fine here? Seems to be. Oh, 20, oh, 0.29. Okay. No. Oops, I forgot to start the music. Shuffle play. Okay. So it's gonna give us some errors. Let me quickly initialize all of this. Import. Now why does it import? Okay. Window event, also import. Key event, also import. Okay, a lot of stuff has been imported here. Let's do the unwrap here. So our window builder, it returns a window. Window attributes. Yes, let's go to the builder. Implement. Let's Control F. Implement window builder. It's gonna return the default. How does it set the attributes? Can I do like window dot set size? And then okay, why is this first of all moved by one space? Oh, this is fun. Okay. So we're gonna take the window builder. The attributes have size, position, resizable, enable buttons, title. Okay, so let's go to our window. So size, position. How does it save the position? That is what I wanted to check. The position is physical position. Okay, so it's basically X and Y. It's an I32 and I32. Our title is going to be a string. Resizable, boolean. Full screen, also boolean. Nothing really else we want. This is going to be enough for now. Now, let's create another public. Oh, we need to make all of those public. Okay, also need to implement default for window parameters. Function default. Why does it? Okay, I think the problem is right now. Do I need to do like public mod flux? Then okay, I think no, I'm not gonna close that. I am gonna close this and this. Oh, not public, just function default. And it's gonna turn a cell with size being 800, 600. Position gonna be 0, 0. Title. Flux window. Resizable. Oh, resizable is going to be set to true. Full screen is going to be set to false. And this is going to be toString. Okay. Now, let's see. Public struct window functions. It's going to have public init, which is a function. Oh my god. Let's see the parameters. Like how to set function as parameter Rust. I already forgot. I think I could just like function. Yeah, okay. Wait, dyn. Why do I need that? I already googled this some time ago. Okay. So it's gonna be a function which takes in nothing and returns out also nothing. And it's gonna be a public update, input, which is gonna take in the window event. It's gonna be event type window event. Create objects. Oh, does it not need the name of it? So I can just do this. Okay, so alright, I think there was another way of doing this without references. Can I just do this? Yep, I can. Then we're still gonna have public update, which is gonna have F32 here as the delta time. Then we're also gonna have a public function render. For now, we're gonna leave it empty. So let's see. Let's create our public struct flux window. It's gonna have let's create a new file for now. Graphics state.rs. It's also gonna be modded. Also, I'm gonna rename this to flux window. Okay. Okay, in here we're gonna have a public struct graphics state. So it's gonna be empty for now. I'm just gonna be using it as a parameter here. It's gonna have public window window parameters and public window functions. This section are gonna be public. And graphic state like this. So for now, we're gonna also do implement for flux window a public function. Let's call it new. It's gonna take in the window parameters. Type window parameters. It's gonna take in the window functions. Type window functions. It's gonna turn in self. So we're gonna have a private window. Just type window. Nope. Yeah, I think it's just window. Use. No, actually no, I'm not gonna do it like use. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna do winit like this. So basically instead of including, I'm gonna be specifying what this is. Qualify as winit event window event. Okay, and this we need to qualify this. Okay. So here we're gonna create a new window. It's gonna be equal. Okay, how are we creating the window again? So first we need an event loop. Oh yeah, event loop. I forgot about this as well. Event loop. And it's gonna be event loop. Loop. No, don't use it. Qualifies this. Then after we qualify this, okay. First we will need to make the let event loop be equal to event loop new unwrap. Our window is going to be window builder new with size with inner size. Okay. So this we're going to be setting all of this with inner size being window parameters dot size. With let's do this in respect to how we set them there. So with position window parameters dot position. Okay. With title window parameters dot title. With resizable window parameters dot resizable. With full screen window parameters dot full screen. Okay, everything else then we're just gonna do dot build with end loop dot unwrap error, so it returns in why unwrap or unwrap, or there is a panic, right? Panic. Yep. Failed to build window. Eligible code. Okay, wait. The trade bound size from is not satisfied. Oh, okay, yeah, it takes in a size, so it's gonna be okay. Wait, what type of size? Max. Oh wait, inner size. It's gonna be. Okay, let's close this. Limit. Oh, let's do size. Can you just size? No, limit. DPI. Size. Okay. Physical. We're gonna take this dot zero. The window parameters dot size dot 1. Where we're gonna, okay, I guess we're gonna be creating winit DPI. Let me do this like this so it's more readable. We're gonna create a winit DPI physical size new, and we're gonna pass in this. Okay, now the position is a position, so it's gonna be winit DPI the position wait, physical or logical position? I think physical. Wait, can I just do, instead of all of this, just remove this? Will it still work? Yeah, it just needs the physical size. Okay, so let's do the same for the position. So it's gonna take winit DPI position, physical position, new. I think I'm gonna do logical position. Logical position and logical scale. Logical size. That means that the size is gonna be F32, and this is also gonna be F32, this is gonna be F32, and this is gonna be F32. So this is gonna take this. Can I do splat like you can do in Python? Nope. Yeah, it's gonna count as the reference dot. Can I do it? Can I just do into? Nope. Dot. There's really not a function to do that. Wow. Okay. Wait, maybe I can just do window parameters dot position dot into. Right? Yep. And I can do the same probably for this. But into. Okay. Then I can remove all of this. With full screen. Wait, what is option full screen? Full screen, first screen. Where is it? It's not even here. Oh, here. Full screen. What is it? init dpi. Nope. Can you go to this function? Go to window builder, window attributes. Okay, it's not that, it's window. So it's window, full screen. Okay, what? Okay, I'm not gonna bother with this for now. I guess we're gonna figure it out later. First we need to set everything up to check if it's gonna work the way I want it to work. Do not satisfy into size. Okay, so this won't work. So we still have to do dot. Yeah, we're still gonna need to do physical size here. Okay, no, not physical, logical size. Init dpi logical size new. Remove all of this. This is gonna be 0. This is gonna be size 1. I think this should work, and then close it. Okay, this was. Why didn't that show up later? Oh my god. I thought it would work perfectly. Okay, yes, init dpi logical position. That's weird that it didn't show the error earlier. 0. Okay. This is good. Then we're build. What is it? What is this? Unreachable. Okay, I think maybe this is not good. Can I do dot accept message failed to create window? Yep. Okay. So then we set our window functions. Window functions. I'm just gonna do window functions. Wait, I can just. Yeah, I'm already passing them by, so yeah, I'm not gonna be setting them. I can actually make a macro for window functions. Okay. For now, let's just see. What should we set up next? So we got the event loop, we got the window, graphic state, which is going to be passing. Yeah, for now let's do just option of graphic state. Window parameters. So we also passing everything that is left is. And basically, yeah, that's it. Then we just return a self. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna set window parameters, window functions, event loop, init window. Let's call this init window. So I can put this here, init window, and none. For now. Graphic state, none. Okay, let's see. What I can do is I can make let window params are new from window parameters. Let me just import that. Then using that, we just go through so in here, the window parameters dot parameters arc. Replace all this with the arc. It's gonna give us errors. Here we do clone. And our window parameters are gonna be set to window parameters arc, and this is gonna be an arc of window parameters. Okay. Everything else seems to be, oh wait, something is wrong up here. First we don't need that. Second of all, okay, I just need to type this everywhere. Okay, so this creates the window. Then we create a public function run. In here, we're gonna have our. Okay, first, how did we calculate delta time? There was a very good way of calculating it that they showed in here, I think. Let's see, delta. Yep. Closer to down here, maybe. Yeah, like when we call. I'm just gonna open my other project. Let's see, so this is this. And in here, in main, let's see. So we're gonna be calculating our delta by doing. So on run, we're gonna create a let mutable. Last render time. Instant. Now I'm gonna have to go to here and also import that instant. Just set it to the latest possible version. Okay. Then what does it do with it? Let's see. Then we start our event loop. So we do self.event. Oh, we do not take, oh, I forgot about this. We probably need a mutable of self. So then here we're gonna do self.event loop dot run move our event and control flow. Can't move out of self event, which is behind the mutable reference. Let's see, can I do the same shenanigans I did with window parameters? So I make an event loop arc. Event loop. Can I first of all create an arc? I can. Then we use our event loop arc.clone. We need to borrow, yep. That works. Then we set our event loop to event loop arc. Where is it? Up here. So this becomes an arc. Okay. So in here we do dot clone. Cannot move out of arc. Move occurs because did not do the same shenanigans here, sadly. I really don't want to do it, but okay, let's see, maybe it will actually work. So now let's just comment this out and use normal event loop. What we're gonna do, we're gonna borrow this. So we borrow here with a static. Event loop doesn't live long enough. Okay, so we're gonna have to create a lifetime, sadly, and then we're gonna have to do it here and here. Cannot return value referencing local variable event loop, returns a value referencing data owned by the current function. Event loop is borrowed here. Okay, there's another way of doing this. So we do not pass this as a parameter. Let's delete all of this. Instead, what we're gonna do is we are gonna, so we don't need this, and we don't need this. Yep. What we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this out, and we're gonna do it here. Okay. Now do we remove this cell from there? Yep. And this is gonna do this. That means that we need to return result of nothing or error. Okay, if all of this finishes correctly, we're gonna do okay. Could not convert the error to. Okay, what is this again? Let's see. Maybe an error. What if I do this? Quick fix, I think I need to import this. What did it do? What? Okay. Let's see run. Event loop error. Maybe event loop error. So I can do this. Okay. Now in here, this is where we're gonna be doing. Let's open this real quick. Actually, yeah, let's open. Where's it? Go to dependencies and the window. We're gonna be copying. Wait, is my microphone even on? Why do I have a feeling it's not on? Oh no, it's on. Let's see. Is the audio even working? It seems as though I'm a little bit quiet. What is my volume? Oh, my volume is quiet overall. I'm gonna do this just a little bit louder. Okay. So, what are we doing in here? Let's copy this. Let's paste it here. Okay, let's see how I do it. So it just does match event. Let me copy all of this, and then I'm just gonna delete all the stuff that I don't need. For now, at least. I am gonna need it later on. So I'm gonna be deleting this. Let's see. I'm gonna add two functions: keyboard input and public mouse input, which is gonna be a function. Let's win it. Oh wait, no, this takes all of the events. Yep. We are gonna be handling every single event. Oh wait, no, I don't want to do that though. Huh. Let's add a public let's just do this. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to import that. Okay. I can just simply what am I gonna do with device events? I can add two separate function, I guess. Device input. Okay, for now I'm gonna do it like this. I can easily change it later on. And call self dot window functions dot device input, and we're gonna pass in the event here. Okay, so also in our keyboard input, but actually no, we can't. No. In the keyboard input we're gonna do an option of control flow. And what is this type again? Let's see, where's control flow. Let's, I can copy this, right? Yep, and I'm gonna do the same for here. Okay. So in here, I'm gonna send some control flow. Actually, no, I'm just gonna send the control flow itself. I'm always gonna just be sending it. Like, I am probably gonna upload this framework, but I am mostly making it for myself. So, yeah. Oh, not here. Oops. This, and here let's import window event. Let's import key event. Import this. Import this. Import this. We also need C, so it's equal to winit window.id. Then we do this. Okay, and here we remove this for now. We remove this. And we remove this. It's gonna be getting logical key. Actually, no, we're just gonna be doing this. It's simpler. We're gonna be calling control flow exit. Oops. Then event is gonna be our key event. What we're gonna be doing there is we're gonna be doing self dot window functions dot input, keyboard input. We're gonna pass the event and the control flow. Why does it not do a reference of device event though? That's weird, I guess. So in resize, let's go here real quick to our other project. Let's go to state and let's find our resize function. Okay, nothing crazy here that we need to really do. So in here, we're gonna do self.window functions.update. I'm gonna pass in the delta time. As seconds. It's also gonna do render, which takes in no arguments. Okay. So we don't need this anymore. Everything should technically be working. Let's see, both of these are gonna be options. And I I just do like no, actually instead of this, I'm gonna be checking if self dot window functions dot device input dot is sum. If it is sum, we're gonna be doing this dot unwrap. Oh, and this is a function. Yep. We're going to do the same trickery here. So this is going to be keyboard input is sum. So let's take this like this. And don't forget to unwrap this. I'm doing this so, like, if the person decided not to handle the input, then they shouldn't be swarmed by errors. So yeah, I think this is basically it. Now, let's close all of this and actually, oh, another thing I wanted to do. I wanted to do macro rules. Set when functions. It's gonna take in this as wait, I get this as what? It is gonna take it as man, I forgot. What are they called? Expression? No, not expression. Okay, let's Google it real quick. I forgot the name. Rust macros. Macro rules. Yep, syntax. Designators. Ident. I don't know. So this is gonna be an ident. Then we are also gonna have keyboard input. This is also gonna be an ident. It's gonna have a device input. Also this is gonna have an update. Also this is gonna have render. Also this. So what it's gonna do is it's just gonna return, it's a return thing, so we have to do these brackets. Window functions of init keyboard input device input update and render. Okay. Let's create two more of these guys, 1 and 2. This one is not going to accept this, and this one is not going to accept this. So in the end, this is going to be set. Keyboard input is going to be set to none, but your device input is going to be set to none. Okay, now that we have that macro going on, let's actually try it. So let's go to our main. Let's remove all of this. Let's create our let. Okay, let's also remove all of this. We're not going to be using it. We are going to be using flux window all. So from here, we're going to create a function, initialize function keyboard input is gonna take an event. Oh my god, I already forgot what it takes in. It takes in a winit event key event, and it takes in the event loop with target as control flow. Returns nothing. And here, can I do public mod winit and just take something like this and do it like this? I don't know, it's probably some BS that I'm doing right now. Okay, yeah. You can't. I don't really know what I expected. So I guess I'm just gonna have to import this, and I'm gonna also import key event. Function device input event is gonna be device event. Control flow is gonna be that. And this should be everything that we use from winit. I'm gonna try to replace it in the future with my own stuff, so you don't have to like include winit. Okay, let's see. So with this simple system, oh wait, we also need function update, which takes into delta time as f32, and function render, which does nothing. So let window functions be equal to set what is it called? Set, do I need to make it public? Set when functions not find in this scope. Have you added the macro using the module import? Do I need to do it here? Wait, why doesn't it not work here? Okay, let's see. Macro use fast. But I need to add the following line at the top of loop-rs, and I did not need this to be full definition itself, not to work-rs, but I don't know why. My question is what does mean? It has no meaning at the top, but more specifically right before mod air has meaning. By default, Microsoft scopes to the module but macro use will let it escape to the parent context, including the all submodules from there. Let's see. So can I wait? But that's incorrect. So if I go to Flux window, and before this I do macro use, I still cannot use the function. And extern create modules. Yeah. Then why is it? If I do Flux window, failed to, because I don't want to be setting it in here. I can do macro export. Macro export. Nope. Why does it not work? Why does it not work? Why does it not work? Before I mod it, maybe I need to do it before, like, use Flux window all, and before I do that I do macro use. What, how does it, okay, let's go to, it's now a bit obsolete since classic pathing can be used with macros provided they get re-exported at their definition set, which has the advantages of being consistent with the rest of the language's items. For more info, see. Okay, no, I don't want that. Web GPU portable graphics library for Rust. This. Let's go to some random web GPU macros. Source librs. Okay, let's see what had probably this has a macro, right? Let's see, macro. Nope. Maybe this has a macro. Nope. Wait, that did have a macro. Oh no, I just ended it. Macro. Man, where was command device mod? Okay, let's see in mod. It uses all of those. Oh, it still does some stuff here. Let's go to here. I don't know. Let's go to the book again, because I don't think I'm gonna get any info from there. Note that because create First the current grade. Macro expert. How do you export them? Item block. Okay. I mean, again, I'm planning on using this for myself, but at the same time, what can I do? Public mod flux, and then do macro public mod flux. Nope. Why can't I just do something like this and then just have it work? Wait, what? Oh, it is working. Okay. So in here, I'm gonna be passing this, and this. Okay, let's see the error. Okay, so this is supposed to be sum. It's so sum. Okay, I'm still gonna, I guess, have to do something like this for them. Yep, okay. So device input is gonna be equal to sum of this. Wait, what? I'm passing keyboard input here. This is supposed to be sum of keyboard input, and this is supposed to be none, and this is going to be in reverse, so this is sum of device input, and this is none. Okay, so now that we're done with that, this creates window functions. Yep, nice macro usage. See, it was a good thing that I learned how to use macros. Now I can do funky stuff like this. Oh wait, do I need to do this though? Oh wait, no, I don't need to do it here. I need to do it here. Alright, okay, I'm just gonna do it for, I mean, just in case. Okay, let's run. Hopefully it's gonna compile. Yep, it did compile. Okay, that's good. That means that the macro did work. Next step is we create window attributes. It's gonna be, I did implement default for this, right? Yep. So we're just gonna do window parameters default, and we're just gonna do let window equal flux window new window attributes, window functions. Yep. And then we do window dot run. This is gonna give us a result which we just want to void. Oh yeah, mutable. I forgot about that. Okay, so after we void that, let's see. It does seem to be running. That is good. What the hell is this? That's it. What? Okay. Huh? Okay. So it does make a window. Can we resize it? Yep, we can. It doesn't really work well, as you can probably tell. Okay, but for example, if we don't do default parameters, we do title. Oh, the title is fine. Size. Oh, why did I do that? Let's do it 128 by 720. This and everything else is going to be default. It does seem to work. That is good. We got pretty close to what we wanted to do. We create the parameters, and then we just run the window. With all of our functions nicely set here. Let's see if any of them actually work. So in here, we're going to be print line our event. So now we're just going to be character text some W location. Okay. So this is working. Oh, we're not calling initialize anywhere though. Let's do that real quick. So on run, after we build the window, let's do self dot window functions dot initialize. And this is pretty much this simple windowing thing that we're probably gonna use till the end of my project. I mean, windowing doesn't need to be complicated. Winit manages to make it very complicated, but I think here I got a pretty nice system. Later on, oh yeah, in render, just before I forget, we do graphic state here, and we pass in self.graphic state into there. So here I'm gonna do graphic state. Let's see what's the problem. Oh, it should be sum of borrowed. Oh wait, no, the graphic status. Okay, so it's unwrap. This is if the graphic state dot is self dot the graphics state dot is sum. Then we do this. We are going to be doing this though. Let's go here. It's going to be a borrowed immutable. And here it's also going to be this. Dot as mute without this. Okay. So all of this still works. Okay, this is good. This is very good. So let's see. Let's make it so if event dot delta wait, I can't really do anything with this device event. I'm gonna print line oh wait, this is still running. Let's close. Let's clear and let's cargo run. So not moving our mouse, but as soon as we slightly move it, yep, we can see the delta being printed out when we move it. That's good. So that is working. Yeah, I think this will actually be it. It was a very short stream today, but we managed to do everything that at least I wanted to do today. We simplified WinIt to the point that I personally prefer. I know some people like the way WinIt looks, but I personally don't like that. So I separated into functions and added this really simple window creation. Oh yeah, wait, I haven't checked yet. So if event dot logical key is equal to event, oh wait, is equal to key code escape. What is equal to key seems to be the wrong thing. Maybe key code escape. Then we're gonna do control flow dot exit, which should technically equals logical. Cannot find logical key in the scope. What do you mean you cannot find logical key in the scope? Wait, what type is it? It's a key event, keyboard input. This is, oh, let's go here. Let's go to camera. And it gets the key code. And if it's key, okay, how does it get the key code again? Let's see, where do we call this function? And keyboard input. So we do match event key event. We take this. Yeah, it's key code. Oh, I guess because I didn't import it, it did not suggest it to me. Yep, it does work. Okay. So this is gonna be the end. Thanks everyone who was here today. I highly appreciate your support. And probably not see you tomorrow, but see you on Thursday. Bye bye.